You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. The first week of the second half of the year and the third quarter begins with a weekend in Canada, and then in the United States. Canada celebrates its National Day today, so there is a risk of a significant decrease in the volatility of the Canadian dollar. But on Wednesday, the long weekend in the United States will begin. And although the stock exchanges will officially be closed only on Thursday and Wednesday is a short day, but in fact most companies will be off on Wednesday. Given all this, trading volatility may remain moderate, but not in the oil market. Probably, the main events of this week will be the publication of the so-called minutes of the Federal Reserve and the report on the U.S. labor market. And although there should be no surprises here, it is better to closely monitor these events. It is also important not to forget that a long weekend in the United States is synonymous with abnormally high oil demand. After all, a huge number of Americans will travel by car, which will need to be refueled. As is known, during this period there is a shortage of fuel, thereby contributing to an increase in the value of black gold. Another bullish fundamental factor for the oil market may be the report on changes in the level of business activity in the manufacturing sector of the U.S. economy. This indicator is published by two different organizations, but analysts predict an increase in the index. Confirmation or exceeding of the forecast may support oil quotes. You should not count on their rapid growth, but an increase in business activity is really a good support for buyers of black gold. Shifting to the cryptocurrency market, we can only say that there is not much optimism, even despite the expectation of the appearance of an exchange-traded investment fund that allows you to buy Ethereum. This is bad news for the bulls, as key U.S. stock indexes have frozen at historical highs, therefore, there is a risk of correction. If sales begin in the technological sector of the U.S. economy, this will also affect the cryptocurrency market. But the fact is that Bitcoin, Ether, and a number of other coins are trading far from their highs. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.